Imagine this, you're 35 years old, stuck in the daily grind, and realize that financial freedom is still a distant dream. What if I told you the choices you make today could either set you up for wealth or keep you trapped in that cycle forever? Most people think financial management is boring or complicated, but here's the truth. It's the one skill that can unlock the life you've always dreamed of. No more paycheck to paycheck, no more sleepless nights about money. And today, I'm giving you the blueprint. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. The problem and emotional build-up. Let's face it, most of us weren't taught how to manage money. Schools? They teach algebra, not wealth building. Parents? Most of them are winging it too. And so, we grow up with one plan. Work hard, earn money, spend it, and hope for the best. Sound familiar? But here's the catch. Living like that isn't just risky, it's dangerous. Nearly 60% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings. That means one unexpected bill. One, and they're drowning in debt. Don't let that be you. Quick question. What's scarier? Watching your favorite Netflix show get cancelled or being broke at 40? Thought so. Now that I've scared you a little, let's flip the script. What if you took control? What if money became your servant, not your master? It's not just possible, it's inevitable if you follow these steps. Step 2. The solution and breakdown. Let's get into it. Here are 5 game-changing principles for financial management that will set you apart from the crowd. 1. Pay yourself first. Here's a golden rule that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Always pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you buy that overpriced latte, take a portion of your income, at least 20%, and save it or invest it. Think of it as planting seeds. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Miss this step, and you'll spend your life working for money instead of making money work for you. Speaking of making money work. 2. Control your spending habits. Let me guess, you've heard this before. Stop buying avocado toast. But let me let you in on a secret. It's not the avocado toast that's keeping you broke. It's your habits. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the lifestyle you're creating. So ask yourself, are you voting for wealth or staying stuck? And no, blowing $200 on self-care every weekend doesn't count as an investment in your future. 3. Leverage the power of a budget. Wait, don't skip this part. I know budgeting sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but hear me out. A budget isn't a restriction, it's freedom. It's how you tell your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Use tools like Mint or YNAB to track every dollar and set clear goals. Because here's the thing, if you don't track your money, someone else is tracking it for you and taking it. Step 3. The big picture and final motivation. Mastering financial management isn't just about numbers, it's about what those numbers represent. Freedom, security, opportunity. Imagine waking up every day, knowing your bills are paid, your future is secure, and you can focus on what truly matters, whether that's building your dream business, traveling the world, or just sleeping peacefully at night. Now, you've got the roadmap, but here's the kicker. Knowing isn't enough. It's action that sets the successful apart from the dreamers. So, what's your next move? Are you ready to take charge of your finances and build the life you deserve? If this video lit a fire under you, don't stop here. Click on the next video, where I reveal the power of compounding, a secret weapon that turns small savings into massive wealth over time. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.